Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you guys doing? Welcome to yet another Ashish Ddavidd video. My name is Ashish Ddavidd, aka Voice Ninja. Thank you for watching this video. Over a period of time, so many of you have started watching my videos, and I'm really thankful. Each new video brings forward new watchers, new subscribers, new viewers, new people who comment, and it's amazing to connect with you guys. Well, this video happens to be one of those videos which is a consequence of you telling me what you thought of a video. That video was made for this beautiful, lovely product by Phillips. It's called the BT114, all right? I made a little video reviewing this product. Actually, it was more like an unboxing, but I ended up, telling you a little bit more about it. So I got a lot of comments telling me that, hey man, you did everything, but you didn't tell us what it sounds like. So this is a video where I'm going to tell you what it sounds like. The reason why I didn't actually tell you what it sounds like or show you what it sounds like was because, I'm a new YouTuber, all right? So I'm still sort of learning my way around. I thought if I play copyrighted music, I might just get a copyright strike, which is like the dreaded copyright strike, which every YouTuber must be very, very careful about. But later on, I discovered that there's music that YouTube themselves provide by musicians all around the world who have, I think, voluntarily given their music for YouTube to be used without any hassle. So I thought I'll just play some of that music because it's really, really great. And, for all you musicians and producers and people who make music, if you're tuned in, then, you should, I might just make a video about how you can submit your music to YouTube, and billions and thousands and thousands and thousands, and I don't know how many people will use your music and then get to know you, right? So that could be a great marketing tactic for some of you musicians who are out there who are making music and who don't know how to get the word out. All right, so maybe that's for another video, but today, right now, I'm gonna tell you and show you what this sounds like. I've also been using other features like the radio and the aux cable, and I have a little better sense of how long the battery lasts. So I'll talk about all those aspects in this video, and please watch this video till the end, and if you like it, click that thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel if you still haven't done so. Let's get down to the sound. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as promised, let's test the quality of the Phillips Bluetooth player here. I am going to use this voice recorder that I use all the time with my videos. So this is what it looks like. It's a discontinued model by M Audio. It's called Microtrack 2, but it's still really in great shape. I already had this audio recorder when I started making my YouTube videos. So I thought, why not just continue using this, because this does a great job of recording voice. And as you can see, this is at the middle point, so it's gonna record the levels of your Bluetooth Philips BT114 pretty easily, and it won't be clipping. Okay, and I'm going to put the audio as is. I'm not going to put any effects on it, so you get to hear exactly what I have recorded. All right, so here we go. Also, the level of the BT114 is not at full. Okay, it's a little less than full, which is what I would normally use. Actually, I use it in the middle. If 10 would be the total volume, I use it at something around 5 or 6 because I'm usually in bed and the speaker is quite close to me, or I'm at a table, so in other situations it could be different. But here what I've done is I have put the level of your Philips BT114 at, say, if the total volume is 10, then I've put it around 7 to 8. Okay, so that it doesn't become too loud and jarring and it becomes a problem for our little M Audio device to record it. So without any further wastage of time, let's just get down to the music. And let's just try one last track. So that's what I think about the BT114. It's pretty good. I mean, I don't know. If you spend a ton of more money, then you can probably go in for a Bose or something else. But in that 4,500 price bracket, I think this is really, really good. As a matter of fact, since the last time that I made the video, I had just charged this once. And after that, today, like, it's been what, like at least 20, probably more than 1 month. Okay, I use it on and off. And only today did I actually feel the need to put the charging cable. So this, I don't know, the box, it claims, the website, sorry, it claims that the battery is going to last you at least 4 hours. But I have a feeling it's probably a little bit more than that. Battery wise, absolutely no issue. Form factor wise, I've been traveling with this little guy in my little bag. Is my bag here? No, it's not here. My little bag, okay, and it just fits in. I went to my best friend's house. He was cooking for me. We put music on this guy, and I was streaming his favorite songs through Apple Music. I'm a big fan of Apple Music too, by the way. Anyway, another video maybe. But this is great as far as battery is concerned, form factor is concerned, volume is concerned. As a matter of fact, when I was in my friend's apartment, this was so loud that he actually told me to turn it way down. And I thought, wow, okay, so I was listening to it on like a total of 3 or 4 if the total volume would be 10. So I'm quite happy with it. As a matter of fact, I didn't really expect it to be this good, but it is. Okay, the bass is pretty decent, music is pretty decent, everything is great. And the coolest part is, this is what I had not realized the first time I saw this, is that there's like a little USB port here, right? You can put your pen drive, your USB thumbnail, like little, drive here, pen drive, and you can put music on it, and this little guy will play music from your pen drive. How awesome is that? Not just that, I think I have a feeling that when you use the pen drive, it uses less battery because the Bluetooth functionality is not working that time, right? And I also figured, because a lot of times I'm just sitting on a table and oh my god. And for me, it really doesn't matter, if it's connected through Bluetooth or whether it's connected through a cable. And Phillips actually, provides a pretty nice little aux cable right here, which doubles up. Okay, now this is what I discovered. This thing doubles up like an FM antenna. So this thing has FM inside. I was actually wondering the last time I saw it had FM radio written on it, that where do you switch it on from? Because there is no dedicated FM button over here, okay? So I got pretty confused and I was not sure how this thing works. I thought what they were trying to suggest is that you connect your Android phone and play the radio through it, or some internet radio or something, I don't know. It was kind of confusing. When it's not blinking, that is when it is aux, okay? And when it's blinking, it's a radio station, right? If I press this button again, it'll become radio. And if I long press the second button, it scans for all the radio stations one by one, and then saves them. And then you can change them through these two buttons. Okay, so this is what I found to be pretty interesting. Not that I really use the radio a lot, but some of you might want to use it. And especially if you're outside or somewhere where you don't have a lot of radios around like people usually have in their homes. You might want to use it. Remember that you need this cable to actually use it as a radio. If you don't have this, then it doesn't work. Okay, so but what I've been doing is, I've been using this aux cable in the aux mode, and I've been watching YouTube videos. We were watching a whole movie using the aux mode on this one, and we connected it to my friend's laptop, and it worked wonderfully. So, even if you don't really want to use the Bluetooth aspect of this little speaker, and if you just want to use like an external speaker, like a connected speaker, Philips have done a great job of actually giving you this aux option. A lot of people don't do that, and I think this is really, really wonderful. I still need to actually use the USB pen drive functionality, and this is great because if there is some way in which I can actually browse the folders, I don't know if I will be able to, but if I can, it'll be so awesome because it'll remind me of the good old cassette and tape and vinyl era. All right, so I hope that this is a better review of the BT114. Guys, you can check it out on Amazon and a lot of other different places. Online, it's cheaper. I ended up paying almost $1,000 more for this because I bought it from a mall like an idiot. Yes, I hate admitting it, but that's true. Why would you want to pay more money for it, right? So just order it on Amazon. And it's a great product, man. I'm telling you this. Really, really enjoying it. Initially I was having a little bit of problem with audiobooks because when I was connecting it through Bluetooth and listening to audiobooks, the end of the sentence, I think, where the silence comes, Philips has some sort of a noise gate. So what happens is, as soon as it detects silence, instead of still playing what it's hearing, it just silences it. So the ends of sentences on audiobooks were not being heard. And but that problem got solved pretty easily. Once I connected an aux cable from my phone to this, and then it was working like magic. I would give this a 5 on 5, man. I'd give it like a 5-star rating because I have never trusted or bought a Bluetooth speaker in which I can hear music and, one of those things. I've been seeing them for a while, but I bought this Philips product because I really, really happen to like it. And this is a great product, guys. Go for it. If you got any value from this video, please smash that thumbs up button on YouTube and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. If you want me to make product reviews of other things, let me know that in the comments as well. That's it, guys. Take care, and till next time, live life dragon size. Take care. Bye.